Puro antik.
Ito, makalawang. Ang delikado. Yung loob nun, malinis eh. Delikado dyan. Ito mo ang ano to. Makalawang.
Dami mga lumang gamit, radyo, ilawan. Magkano kaya ito kay Boss Toyo?
Jeep, may dala.
Ah, sorry.
Hello.
Green Lantern.
Benta mo kay Boss Toyo. Magkano kaya yan?
20.
20. Ayun, typewriter ko.
Oh. Tara, Jeep.
Hmm? Pauwi na eh, no? Basta huminto ka kasi.
I want something good price.
Which one?
Anyone.
Anyone?
How much?
What you like, what you see nice. For me, I give you price for me.
Good price, huh?
Very good price.
Only small.
Marhaba. How are you?
والورق من عندنا
Collector ng mga coins dyan. Ano yun, 10?
Hindi, iba to eh. Sa Europe to. Queen Elizabeth. Pag uwi na tayo, maganda. Puta, ito jeep. This one, I will buy. Some genie will come out. Genie coming. Ah!
Jannay.
Genie, you're the genie. Buy it.
Puta, ito padlock ko, jeep. Padlock how much?
Oh, yan. Nakita ko na yan eh.
100.
Oh my god, too much expensive.
May nag-vlog na yan eh.
If my customer 150.
هذا بكم ده؟
هذا عندك 8.
ولا
هذا
هذا
هذا عندك 1000.
هذا بكم؟
200. For me, not customer. Customer 120. That's for me.
This one, dragon.
That's 300.
Oh my god. I will come in next time. Before I go.
Coming next time.
Oh my
I like
god.
money, not tomorrow. I like you. Not 80.
No money.
70.
No money.
60.
I just came here to jogging.
Happy jogging.
We are live here only.
Umurer only.
Umurer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
60 dirham. Okay.
Next time, if
Next
we will
time, we
not
don't have
na
money.
on jogging.
What? Card.
No card also.
Wallah.
Wala. Only jogging. Ah, this one, oh. This one. How much is about?
هذا 400.
Asia.
والله good price.
400 too much. Oh my god.
How much?
I'm coming. Next time. Under only, oh. Ang horror. Oh, very nice. Hey.
Kangaroo. Uy, nabalian na to.
Balian mo. Pilitan.
Uy, okay ka lang. Ayan ayaw ko, kaya magdala pera eh.
Oo.
Yun yung ano. Yun yung bumubula par.
Bumubula.
Yung ano, bumubula sa buhangin.
Ay, ano to? Turkish coffee to. Turkish coffee to.
Hmm?
Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee. Bumubula yan, di ba?
Mainit to. Mainit yan.
Di ba yun yung ginagamit na lutuan sa India?
Hindi, sa Turkey.
Di sa India yung mga nilulutuan nila sa ano.
You have to sample like this.
Batang negosyante.
Ah. Lupit to. Lakas ang trip natin. Inugutom ako.
Trip lang naman.
Kamsar hinak.
Only jogging pare. Next time